fantastic birth experience I had with my VCU midwives, Stephanie, Elizabeth, and Leslie. I felt like I had such good physical and emotional support during my birthing process, starting with on the phone. I talked to Leslie and Stephanie and got guidance on what to do, what strategies to use at home, when to come in. But the second I got in, I felt like a weight was off my shoulders. I was taken back to labor and delivery, and I was given the freedom to birth how I wanted to with their support and guidance. Leslie came to deliver my son, and I felt like I had an advocate, someone who was there encouraging me, wouldn't give up on me, and used the phrase, "We can do it." Not I can do it, not you can do it, we can do it together. If you can imagine, I had my husband, my doula, and my midwife there, all helping me through this birthing process, and ended in a wonderful birth of my son. I will be back to birth there again and strongly encourage you to